Good morning, my dear students, our respected academic and industry associates and family members of our students. Welcome all for the certificate ceremony and student interaction program 2012. I welcome you all, and I am taking this opportunity to brief you about some MTech service. So MTech was founded by addressing the need of industrial requirements in embedded system domain, and the demands for higher technical knowledge from engineers is steadily growing from the industry. The demand of embedded system products is growing very rapidly. The need of electronics products in our daily life has increased tremendously, and all these devices are asking for microcontrollers. With this learning, we found that embedded system training is a very challenging task. As this technology demands knowledge of hardware and software together, there is no specific engineering branch to address imparting knowledge of both these fields at the same time. Hence, to develop such technical skills, one has to get trained by highly specialized and experienced professionals. It has been very challenging to draft the training module for such technology and make it as successful with the students' learning. We have tried various modules and methodologies, and we feel proud that we are able to draft the module suitable for engineering students and the corporates. Till now, we have trained and imparted knowledge of this subject to 10,000 plus students through various seminars, workshops, training programs in all over India. Through the year, the most successful market trend setter program is STEP, the Summer Training Incense program we have. Ever since we started this program in 2003, it has been adopted by many institutions, and they are following us in many respects. Summer training program is organized every year, and it is the most sought after training program by engineering students at MTech. You will find many embedded engineers in the industry who got trained and motivated by MTech facilities to get success in the market, and most of them people are available here today. We have started with industry popular 8-bit microcontroller with 8051 earlier. Then we become Microchip authorized training partner in India in 2010, and since then we have trained 1,000 plus engineers on Microchip microcontrollers, and many of them get placed in embedded industry. Microchip authorization is a very good initiative and has to go further with support from engineering colleges and universities. We look forward to building academic alliance program with engineering colleges for the same. With our experience and feedback from the industry, we learned that 32-bit microcontroller is growing very fast, and there is a need of engineers in that domain. So now we have a training program available on PIC32 and ARM microcontrollers. We launched Linux device driver programming also in 2012. This shows our commitment to fulfilling the need of industry. Besides this technical education, there is a key role of corporate skills development. It has been found that younger generation is not able to cope up with the pressure of corporate requirements. To bridge that gap, we started a program in association with IPSSR, and we have trained 2 batches on life skills development so far. With interaction with IPSSR, I personally learned many things on personality development, and with that understanding, we introduced corporate skills development program at the training center, and it has been a regular program now. The 6 weeks training program that we have is a very basic module, and a student need to go further in this to develop their career in embedded domain. With this summer training program, students are getting exposure to technical world. To make a good career, they need to spend more time on learning and practice, as our focus is to develop the engineer's mind to fulfilling the growing need of industry. Keeping in mind of this fact, we have a 6 months program, which is a placement link batch, the career foundation program, which is the best suitable for the engineering students to develop their skills for the market need. In past years, we have seen a huge success in the same line. In CFP 12 batch, we have our placements, and the best package is 3 lakh we achieved with a student with advanced electronics. And we are beginning with our next CFP 12 batch from Monday 17 September 2012 for all the graduates of 2011 and 12. And this program has been upgraded, and the silent features we have is it is totally residential training program for which we have our in-house hostel now. The minimum training duration for every day is 12 hours, and the training will be very personalized to the students as per their performance. We have this CFP 13, so we are understanding the market need, And we are very appreciable with the efforts of MDU University, who has been giving a 6 months in-plant training to the students for the same. And then we are proposing a 1-year program on embedded system from January 2013, where the 6 months will be a training program at the center, and the 6 months the student has to be in the industry. So they'll go in an internship model so that they'll have practical hands-on real stuff, and then they make their career in the same domain. And with this initiative, I would like to thank Dr. Kapil Kakkar and Ramesh Babu to be here and giving us the enlightenment with the knowledge for today's event. And I would like to thank all the participants and industry associates and our ex-students who will be here for making this event more successful. Thank you so much.